Aloha, my name is Bherin Brown and I'm a realtor here on the Big Island of Hawaii in the Waikoloa, Kohala Coast and Kailua-Kona areas. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I'll share home tours, tips and tricks with buyers, sellers and agents, restaurants, beaches and much more. In addition, I also work with a variety of clients from buyers to sellers to investors. Please feel free to reach out to me via phone call, text message or email, or you can check out my website in the description below. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more content like this to come in the future. Mahalo for watching. I look forward to working with you, and no matter where you're at, I hope you're living aloha every day.